Element 2.4. Make positive contribution to the planning process to improve your work practices. Central to the Central to the operation of any successful business is the need to prepare for what lies ahead and to plan what is going to happen. No business can function effectively on an ongoing basis unless it has a sound plan in place for conduct of the business. As they say, if you fail to plan, your plan to fall. As staff members are actively involved in the operation, it is essential that they are encouraged to provide ideas and suggestions aimed at improving work practices. A plan is defined as a blueprint for goal achievement and establish an overall strategy. Before that, what is plan? Plan po ay isang pinaka-importante sa isang business. Hindi mag-work ang business pag wala kang plan. Planning also reduce all the negative impact of change, minimize repetition and waste, reduces level of uncertainty. Areas of planning. Plans objectives may be short-term, mid-term, or long-term and can relate to areas such as organizational strategy. Organizational strategy is a dynamic long-term plan that map the route towards and realization of company's goal and vision. Increase sales of existing products. Increase the range of product and service you offer. Increase the size of the geographical area you serve. Make positive contribution to the planning process to improve work practices. A policy is a deliberate system of principles to guide decision and achieve rational outcomes. A policy is a statement of intent is implemented as a procedure or protocol. Policies are generally adopted by a governance body within an organization. Team member may have suggestion for how those can be improved based on comments they have heard from the customers. Example is when you ask or suggest something to the store, ayun yung ibig sabihin niya, yung makakuha ka ng idea sa mga customer mismo. Example of company policies. Ethics and conduct policy. Ethics and conduct policy are guidelines for all employees of a company to do the right thing and behave at high standard at all times. Your customer also demand ethical dealings, privacy, and security. The people your company deals with expect fair treatment with no conflicts of interest. This means you need to establish clear ethical ethical conduct at all times. Non-discrimination policy. Those policy prohibited harassment and discrimination in the workplace. Non-discrimination law are governed by federal, state, and local provisions. No business can tolerate sexual harassment. All business should offer equal opportunity employment, no age, sex, race, or cultural basis. Yun yung pagkakaroon sa lahat ng na hindi lang dapat bata or lalaki, babae, ganun ang makakapagtrabaho sa isang dapat lahat pwede mong tanggapin. The activity of doing something again and again in order to become better at it, a regular occasion at which you practice something that is done often or regularly. They are well placed to identify improvements to enhance service delivery, to make it quicker, to save resources, to improve the quality of products and services. Practice. Workplace practices include the day-to-day and relation that the employee experience and benefits. Provide clear expectation. Give people the opportunity to use their skill. Support your team. Encourage people to contribute ideas and get involved in decision. Um, Give people the opportunity to use their skills kasi doon makikita kung saan talaga magaling yung isang empleyado. Hindi mo siya dapat i-force sa work na sobrang hindi niya talaga alam kasi siyempre tayo yung owner ng isang shop or restaurant or anything na business, siyempre ang tatak sa isip natin ay walang sinabi ganyan, 'di ba? And dapat meron tayong support your team. Yun nga yung pagkakaroon ng mga team building sa mga companies, right? And yung encourage people na yun yung ano para makakuha tayo ng idea sa mga kasama natin sa workplace. Practices today and tomorrow. Ayun yung ibig sabihin niyan is ngayon nasa mababa ka pa lang. And siyempre, kung nasa baba ka pa lang, mag-iisip ka o magsisipag ka or kakaroon ka ng bright idea, someday, magiging maganda yung future mo, tataas ka rin. And, siyempre, huwag mo makakalimutan si Lord kung ganun. Yun lang. Example of company practices. Offer help to those who aren't performing well. Practice makes perfect. That's the truth. Na wala naman kasing imposible talaga kung ikaw ay subok na susubok. Kasi lahat tayo nagkakamali. Walang taong perpekto. The end.